Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today we're going to be unboxing the box by fashionsta. It is $24.99 a month and it is a monthly beauty subscription. Usually contains between 5 and 7 items inside of it. It is one of the subscription boxes that I have that gives back. They actually give back to an organization in California that helps families and battered women. So that's a plus that it gives back, and it makes me feel good about getting the box. Okay, and this is what it looks like when you get it in the mail. And when you open it, this is what it looks like inside. And then on the back it has a list of the products and the prices on there. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out is from the company Elm, and it's vegan beauty, organic, cruelty free, and it's a facial sunblock, and it just looks like a little tiny deodorant. It's really cute, and I'm always okay for getting this because it doesn't smell bad or anything. It doesn't even really smell like sunscreeny. It almost has like a citrus smell to it, so I do like this. This is valued at $12 for this. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Maribel Cosmetics, and it's an iconic winged liner with a stamp kit on it. And this is valued at $20. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'm not exactly sure what color it is because the packaging is like red, so I'm hoping it's not a red one. This is what the packaging looks like. And then we have the felt tip on one side, which is like an amazingly dark black color, and then the stamp. The stamp doesn't seem as efficient as the eyeliner itself. See how it has spots in it, and the eyeliner, the felt tip liner, is more solid, which is definitely what I look for with an eyeliner, is something more solid. So even if the stamp doesn't work, at least it will give you like a line to go over with the other side to make it thicker. So this is valued at $20. I'm not sure if I said that or not already. So there is that, and it looks like we have something else from the same company in this box. I'm going to go ahead and get this pulled out here. And it looks like a Sculpt Mineral Highlight Contour. And this one's valued at $32, and this is the packaging here. I think it's super cute, super small and compact. And then they put an X and they put a XO and a heart on engraved inside of the product, which is really neat. And this looks like this colors could work for me for sure. Okay, next up is from Pierre, and it's a HD setting spray. And I'm just going to go ahead and spray this on real quick. Definitely one you want to put back farther than other ones because a lot of it does come out at once. But this one is valued at $19, which seems crazy for how tiny this is. But if it works good, we'll see. The next thing is also from Pierre. I kind of like how they're doing that this month. They're putting a couple things in from the same company so you can get a good feel for it. This is a brow pencil valued at $20. And I'm hoping it's in deep brown. I normally don't go that dark with my brows, maybe more like a medium color. not really sure if I want to swatch this. Okay, to be honest, it's definitely darker than what I normally go for my brows. But it does seem like a very waxy, so buildable. It's not going to all come out at once. It's a color definitely it looked like you had to build. So it could very well work for me. Next up is from M. Green Grass Skincare Hand and Body Butter, and it's in Sweet Clementine scent, and this is valued at $24. And I'm wondering if any of my other subscribers have fashionsta from the box. Go ahead and comment down below if you got the same scent as me in lotion. I didn't know if they had other scents circulating around. But let me know what scent you got. Trying to get it open here so I can get... Okay. It definitely smells citrusy. I do like citrus smell, and it kind of goes with the sunblock and the citrus smell, so that's matching as well. They're doing a really good job with stuff matching this month. Last but certainly not least is this Express Yourself palette from Beauty Crop. And it looks like there are definitely neutral shades in here, as you can imagine if it's like espresso coffee. I'm going to go ahead and get this open here so we can get some swatches. You really taped this thing on good here. Oh, how cute. It has a bunch of people on the front just sitting and drinking coffee. It's very cute packaging. The pan sizes are very small, but you do get a lot of different colors in here. I'm going to go ahead and swatch a couple of them because there's way too many to do all of them. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Here's a few of the colors swatched for you here. When I was swatching, I found that the mattes, they seem to be a little bit more buildable. They were a little powdery, but it is Beauty Crop, so it's not like high-end makeup. The shimmers seem to go on very pigmented and very well, but this is definitely one that I'll be playing with this next week and let everyone know how it is. So for those of you who don't know, I do reviews once a week, and I just review stuff that I have been using from the previous week, which I do them every Monday. But as far as today, that's everything that I have in my fashionsta box. So thanks so much for watching.